Hello and welcome to the Auto Traction channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic and jaw-dropping machines ever built for farming. The legendary Big Roy 1080, a monster tractor that redefined power and innovation back in its time and still commands attention today. At first glance, the Big Roy 1080 looks like something out of a futuristic movie, but this beast was built in the 1970s by Versatile in Canada. Standing massive with a length of over 30 feet and weighing nearly 30 tons, Big Roy was designed to be a game-changer in the world of large-scale farming. Even decades later, it's still one of the most talked-about tractors in the farming world. Let's start with the engine. The Big Roy is powered by a Cummins KTA 1150, six-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine delivering an impressive 600 horsepower. While today's modern tractors may have caught up or surpassed this number, remember that when Big Roy was introduced, this kind of raw power was virtually unheard of. The engine is mounted at the rear, which not only contributes to better weight distribution but also gives the machine its unique and aggressive stance. Its design was forward-thinking, with an emphasis on maximum efficiency, visibility, and control for the operator. The cab is mounted at the front and elevated for an unobstructed view of the massive equipment trailing behind. Unlike many tractors of its era, Big Roy featured four-wheel drive and 8 massive tires to maximize traction and minimize soil compaction, which is critical in large-scale farming. The steering is articulated, meaning it pivots in the middle, allowing better maneuverability. For such a large machine, the advanced hydraulic system and PTO setup were designed to handle the largest and most demanding implements available at the time. One of the most unique features of Big Roy is the rear-mounted radiator system. Instead of being at the front, like most tractors, it's placed at the back, fed by 2 massive fans that pull in clean air to prevent clogging from dust and debris. This allowed for longer operational times in the field without maintenance stops, improving productivity. Though it was a one-off concept machine and never mass-produced, Big Roy remains a symbol of engineering ambition. Today, it's housed at the Manitoba Agricultural Museum and continues to draw crowds, sparking admiration and nostalgia for a time when bigger truly meant better. This isn't just a tractor, it's a statement, a testament to how far machine design can go when limits are pushed. Stay tuned for more epic machine reviews every day here on the Auto Traction channel.